Hello and welcome back. I'm B9 Scrambler, and today let's check out this, the Moondrop Quarks. The quirky quark. Alright. Oh yeah. Well, obviously I've already opened them. This should be the other way around. However, there you go. Nice little box. Nothing too special. Oh yeah, if you want to see measurements, those are accurate. Moondrop is one of few companies who actually posts accurate measurements of their products. So that's always nice. Now, let's remove you. Okay. Little carrying bag, that's the same as the one that came with the spaceship, it looks like. Or at least very, very similar. Basically the same thing. Inside, got ear tips. Let's pop those open. Take a quick look. So it come in small, medium, large, pretty traditional, but these are actually really nice ear tips. Nice and soft, they're nice and grippy, they're comfortable, and just in general, quite nice. So, yay to that. Alright, let's, what else we have in here? We've got a wearing guide. Your product manual, which I don't really think matters too much. Yeah, whatever. And the earphones themselves. All right. There we go. Okay, well, let's take a look. So these have, I think, a 6mm micro driver, dynamic of course, balanced armature, left and right, donated by the, colored rear there, so left for right, or red for right, and black for left. Nice nozzle, the lip for holding the tips on. Nice 90-degree angled jack with strain relief. So your kind of standard Moondrop Y-split. No strain relief, unfortunately, so this will be probably a weak point. And you get a little cable tie. But the cable feels nice. It's very flexible. Quite like it. Looks kind of cool. It looks a little like the cable that came with the original DD Hi-Fi Janus, but this is quite a bit softer and more flexible. Anyway, that's the unboxing experience for the Quarks, and I will have a review and sound impressions and whatnot coming up, but I have put a little bit of time into them. Basically consider this a cheaper version of the Moondrop SSP. So it follows a very, very similar tuning style to that. Actually, one second. Alright, and there you go. As you can see, pretty much the same measurement response. Yeah, anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Take care.